Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is probably going to be one of the fastest videos that I've ever put together. But I wanted to make sure that I got this out and shared with you an update that I got from Away Luggage for their first ever sale. So if you've seen my previous unboxing and review videos for Away Luggage, which I'll link to in the card above, you'll know that I'm a huge fan of their luggage. It's pretty durable luggage that looks good, and best of all, it has a lifetime warranty. The downside is that they're pretty expensive. Well, that's changed some, at least for a limited time. See, I got this email from them announcing their first ever sale with up to 50% off of everything either in store or online. You gotta hurry though. The sale ends next week on September 15th, which doesn't give you much time, but the stocks are also running out very quickly on most of their popular colors. What's cool though is that they even bought back some of their limited colors for this sale, which I guess was a way for them to get rid of any remaining stock that they had on hand. Anyways, I'm not going to be reviewing any of the luggage today since I already did that, but instead I'm going to share with you some of the pieces that we came home with. And this piece was one that my wife wanted, especially because she wanted a matching set for her carry-on that she already purchased previously. This is the large that usually goes for around $250, but for at least the next week, this will be selling at $147. And as you can see, it's a pretty large piece of luggage. What I like about this luggage is it's very durable and very scratch resistant. Plus, you've got that lifetime warranty, so if anything bad happens to it, like a wheel falls off or you get a deep gash, you can always take it back to the store and get it swapped out. And as you can see, it comes with that mesh interior with a lot of space. This also comes with a bag tag, which you can get hot stamped for an extra $10. It comes with your sponge, comes with a passport book, and then it also comes with an extra little laundry bag as well at the bottom. So that's the first piece we came home with. So the other piece that we've always wanted to buy but never bought because it was so expensive was the bigger carry-on. This one is the aluminum edition that generally costs around $495, but we paid $346 today at 30% off. It also comes in silver at 15% off and gold at 50% off. And there's also a rose gold one at 15% off as well. What's cool about this one is that it also comes in a different style carrying bag, which is pretty nice looking. So I purchased the black one, which is a little bit more masculine, instead of buying the rose gold, the gold, or the silver one, although I did like the silver one as well. What's good about this one? It's made of aluminum and it's very cool to the touch. So what's different about this suitcase versus the standard suitcases, aside from it being aluminum, is that this one does not have a zipper. Instead, this one unlocks from the sides. So it has the dual combination, and then you press the buttons to release it. So this one also comes with a bag tag, but I got this one hot stamped with my initials on it for an extra $10, of course. And this one I guess I will do an unboxing because I've never opened one of these before. This one comes with your standard plugs. So it's got your various different plug types, your AC adapter with a USB connector, your USB cable, and of course the carrying bag. And instead of the passport, your notebook, you get this nice leathery case. So I'm not sure what's in this one, but I would assume it's like the instructions or something. So yeah, it's the user guide, passport, as well as a postcard. And this time I won't just toss it to the side because it feels kind of expensive. And this one also has a different interior. So unlike the standard suitcase, which zips around, this one has spring-loaded hooks, which you can secure. And of course you can put your clothes on either side. And then these iron hooks right here that hold it in place. And this is all aluminum and metal all around, so it's very sturdy. And then, like the previous ones, you also get the laundry bag that rolls up into the corner. And then, like all away cases, you also get your battery pack. Now the large does not come with a battery pack, but all the carry-ons do. And these handles are pretty nice because they're soft closing as well. So you have one on the top and you have one on the side, which is pretty cool. And then the logo is embedded in the case itself, so it looks kind of smooth and nice. And this one does seem to roll a little bit more buttery smooth and makes less noise than the standard one. So I'd have to say that's probably because of these thicker rubber wheels. The standard has rubber wheels as well, but these just seem a little bit thicker and more durable. I feel like this is a suitcase that would be used in the movies to be like a gun case or something, or a case where I'd carry $1 million that I don't have. After that, we also bought some packing cubes. And these are great because it just keeps everything organized within the suitcase itself. And I'm one of those people who always overpacks, but this at least keeps it organized and compressed, so I can always pack more if I need to. So these packing cubes come with a large, a medium for shirts, a smaller, a long one, smaller ones, and even smaller ones. So all these different sizes. So this is a 6-piece set with an assortment of sizes for everything that you might need to pack. And it comes in this nice waterproof carrying case. And then the last piece we brought home was the mini. So the reason why we got this one was because my wife thought it was cute, to be honest. And I gotta say it is pretty cool, and it's a little bit different because instead of the standard mini, which is the plastic material, we ended up buying the aluminum one. What's good about this is not only is it aluminum, but it's also got a different mechanism on it. So instead of having a zipper, this one has a press button clip on it. So instead of unzipping it like normal, you just press the button and it opens, which is pretty cool. And the fact that it's aluminum and hard cased. But to be completely honest, I'm thinking that my wife had probably bought this one so that in the future we'll probably have to buy the aluminum larger sizes to match. This typically costs $45, but today it was on sale for 50% off at $22. So that was our overall haul for today. It's not much and we didn't buy a lot of pieces, and I'm sure that was the point for doing such a short notice sale. But at up to $50 off, it's not something that we wanted to pass up on, given the normal cost for this luggage. Anyways, I'll leave my referral link in the comments section below so you can get an additional $20 off in case you want to use it. Hopefully this pandemic comes to an end soon, so we can again start using these and our other luggage sets from Away. Anyways, I want to thank you for checking out my video. The sale ends on September 15th, so if you want to get any premium Away luggage at a much cheaper price, I'd hurry online or to your nearest store and grab them while you can. I'm not sure if a similar sale will happen again anytime soon. Anyways, if you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please smash that like button and subscribe. Please also click that bell icon so you can get notified when I post new content. Until next time, see ya.